Hey everybody, I'm going to try to explain moon phases a little bit. So you can see what I have set up here. I've got the Earth, and this ping pong ball is the moon. Over here I've got the sun, and I have labeled the different 4 positions of the main moon phases that we want to think about. So a lot of people get confused as to why we see something different from the Earth as opposed to what we see in space. So what I'm showing you right now is the space view of the moon when it is in the first quarter position. So if you look, you can see half the Earth is illuminated by the sun, which is over here. The left half of the moon is illuminated because it's on the side that the sun is shining on it. But we know that when we see a first quarter moon in the sky, we see the right half illuminated. So that's where our source of confusion comes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down from being in space. Here we go. I'm landing. I'm coming around, and I want to look at the moon from the position or perspective of being here on Earth. So I'm zooming in. Oh, I've landed on Earth. I'm looking up at the sky, and I see a first quarter moon. What do you see? You see the right half is lit up. That's the difference between the space view and between the Earth view. But let me also point out, if I zoom out and go back in space, but I'm on the other side now, it is still the half of the moon that is lit up is still the half that is near the sun. So if I move the moon, let me move it here. This is going to be our gibbous position, right? So if I'm looking down on this whole thing from space, still the half of the moon that is pointed towards the sun is lit up, always half. But if I'm zooming in, oh, I'm landing back on Earth again, we can see, look at that. It's got that gibbous shape. You got a little crescent on the left is shaded. And that is the difference between your space view and your Earth perspective. And that's why we see moon phases here on Earth, because we're always looking at the moon from our point of view here on the planet.